In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track promotions in Google Analytics 4. By the end, you'll have your key promotion metrics surfaced right on your report snapshot, so you can quickly see how often promotions are seen and how often people click them. First, head to analyticsgoogle.com. Sign in and make sure you're in the correct GA4 property for your site or app. Once you're in, look to the left-hand navigation and click Reports. This is where your standard reporting lives in GA4. Next, open Reports Snapshot. Think of the snapshot as your home base for at-a-glance performance. Adding promotion metrics here makes them hard to miss and easy to monitor over time. Now, customize the snapshot. In the top right of the report, click the pencil icon to customize the report. If you don't see the pencil, you may not have the right permissions in this property. Assuming you can edit, you'll be taken into the report editor where you can control what shows up on the snapshot. Click Add Metric. Metrics are the numbers GA4 calculates for you, and we're going to pull in the ones related to promotions. In the search box, type promotions. You'll see options appear that are tied to GA4's e-commerce promotion events. The two you'll likely use are items clicked in promotion and items viewed in promotion. Viewed counts when a promotion is shown to users, and clicked counts when users actively select a promotion. Together, they help you understand both exposure and engagement. Choose the metric or metrics you want to track. Selecting items clicked in promotion tells you how many times people acted on a promo. Selecting items viewed in promotion shows how often promos were displayed. Adding both gives you a clearer picture and helps you gauge click-through behavior from views to clicks. When you're happy with the selection, click Save. You'll be prompted to confirm how you want to apply the change. Choose Save Changes to Current Report. This updates the existing report snapshot, so your promotion metrics will appear there going forward for this property. That's it. From now on, when you open reports and land on the snapshot, you'll see your chosen promotion metrics at a glance. Keep in mind, these metrics rely on GA4's e-commerce promotion events being implemented on your site or app. If they don't appear in search, it usually means the underlying data isn't being sent yet. Once the data is flowing, this setup makes it easy to spot trends, compare performance across time, and quickly see whether your promotions are getting the visibility and clicks you expect. Thanks for watching, and enjoy tracking your promotions in GA4 with confidence.